Want to create those jaw-dropping map animations that look like professional drone footage? Today I'm revealing the secret technique that transforms boring static maps into visual masterpieces, and it's way simpler than you think. Fire up After Effects and let's create some magic. Step 1. Basic setup. First, let's create our workspace. New composition, 1920 by 1080. 30 seconds duration. Import your map by drag and drop. Now we need to set up the 3D environment. 3D preparation. Right-click on your map. 3D layer. Layer. New. Camera. 50 millimeters. One node. Enable depth of field in camera options. Now we create the magic controller. The null controller. Layer. New. Null object. Enable 3D layer on the null. Parent the camera to the null using the spiral icon. Now when I move the null, the camera follows. It's like having a remote control for our camera. Now let's position our camera for that perfect aerial view. Initial positioning. Adjust the null's position for an aerial view. Use the perspective grid to center perfectly. Find a nice angle with rotation. Next, we add that professional depth of field effect. Depth of field settings. Aperture, 300 to 400, controls blur intensity. Focus distance. Adjust so your point of interest is sharp. Blur level, the goal. Your main element sharp, background artistically blurred. Step 3, first animation. Time to bring our map to life with movement. Basic animation. Timeline at the beginning. Keyframe null's position. Move forward a few seconds. Move the null to your first point of interest. Now we apply the secret sauce, the Easy Ease magic. Select all keyframes. Press F9 or right-click. Easy Ease. Look at that difference. The movement goes from robotic to natural instantly. Step 4, smooth movements. Here's where the magic happens, creating buttery smooth transitions. The pro secret. First, we create our second controller. Create null 2, new null, enable 3D, parent null 1, null 2. Now we use the overlap technique. Overlap technique. A few frames before, the first movement ends. Keyframe position of the second null. Move forward a few seconds. Position towards the next point. Easy ease everything. By starting the next movement before the previous one ends, we create perfect fluidity. Step 5. Dynamic zoom. Adding the zoom, create null 3, new null enable 3D parent null 2, null 3 zoom animation. During the previous movement, keyframe position of null 3, move forward a few frames, bring camera closer to the point of interest, easy ease. Now we have main movement plus zoom. This is getting really cinematic. For each new point, new null, null 4, 5, etc., parent to previous null animation with overlap, easy ease everything. Repeat this process for all your points of interest. The more you practice, the smoother it gets. And there you have it. You now possess the secret to creating map animations that will make your audience's jaws drop. Subscribe for more After Effects secrets and drop a comment below showing me what incredible map animation you create with this technique.